Okay, chapter 10, chemical bonding 2. So we talked about Lewis theory. In this chapter, we're going to talk about valence bond theory and molecular orbital theory, two other bonding models. We're also going to talk about how we determine the shapes of molecules. So I think we're all familiar with artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners taste sweet, but they don't provide calories, right? The taste of something and how many calories it provides to your body are independent of each other. The caloric content of anything we eat is really the heat of reaction for how your body reacts to that. So sugar reacts with oxygen in your body. Basically, it's combustion, and that's releasing energy. And 5,644 kilojoules for every mole of sucrose. The taste of the substance depends on its shape and the charge distribution, because we perceive taste by how a molecule reacts with the taste buds in our tongue, different receptors. So an artificial sweetener fools us by fitting into those receptors that are sensitive to sugar, and so we get a sweet taste, but then our body can't metabolize them or can't metabolize them well, and so they give us very little energy, right? Which if you're trying, to survive, that's not great, but we've got, too much, and so we're trying to not get too fat. But we have our sweet tooth, and we want things to taste sweet.